Hey fam, if you're looking to fire up your glutes and open up your hips, this 5-minute routine is perfect for you. Whether you're preparing for a workout or just want to loosen up after sitting, we'll focus on activating and stretching those muscles. Let's hit the mat. Let's begin with fire hydrants to activate the glutes. Start on all fours with your wrists under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Keeping your right knee bent, lift your leg out to the side like you're opening a door. Then lower it back down. Keep your core tight and focus on controlling the movement. Continue for 45 seconds on the right side. This move is perfect for waking up your glutes and improving hip mobility. Switch to the left side now. Lift your left knee out to the side and lower back down, maintaining control throughout the movement. Continue for 45 seconds. Remember to keep your core engaged to stabilize your body. This movement helps build strength in the glutes while also opening up the hips. Now sit down on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground for seated internal hip rotations. Place your hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee toward your left foot, allowing your hips to rotate inward. Then bring them back to center and drop the left knee to the right foot and come back to center. Keep alternating from side to side for 1 minute. This movement increases hip mobility and is great for relieving tightness that builds up from sitting for long periods. Let's stretch out the hips with low lunge twist. Step your right foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your left knee on the floor. Place your left hand on the mat and twist your upper body to the right, reaching your right arm up toward the sky. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply into the stretch. This move opens your hips and stretches the lower back, helping to release tension. Switch sides now. Step your left foot forward into a low lunge, keeping your right knee on the mat. Place your right hand on the floor and twist your upper body to the left, reaching your left arm up. Hold for 30 seconds, breathing deeply. This stretch improves hip flexibility while releasing tightness in the lower back and core. Awesome work, fam. In just 5 minutes, you've activated your glutes and opened up your hips, setting a solid foundation for movement and flexibility. This routine is perfect for warming up before a workout or loosening up after a long day. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the subscribe button and add this video to your personal playlist. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.